Okay guys, I have a problem with my water heater. So I'm just gonna show you on how to light up the thermocouple underneath. So if you have a problem, you don't have hot water, try this one first before calling a professional, or maybe you can try it by yourself. Just follow this one, and if the problem still goes on, like maybe a couple of days, the LED underneath is turned off again many times, then that's the time you have to replace this one, this whole unit, a thermocouple. So we have to light up this one. So what I have here is a pilot switch and push button for the gas, and this is a spark plug that will give a spark underneath, and it will burn up to start the flame underneath. So all you have to do is turn it off, switch to off, maybe around 30 seconds, and then yeah, you cannot see underneath, there's no light in it. So first thing to do, switch this one. I have not enough space, that's why. So turn this one, it's off, right? So turn this one to pilot. There you go. And make sure that this red button here, you can push it through. So next, just push this one, and also this selector switch here, just put it in just like this design. Just put it in vacation or lowest selector, vacation here. Then there's no light in there, so push this one, and then push the spark plug here. There, and you can see this. There we go. You can see the flame. There's light in there. So just hold on for around 30 seconds. Still burning. You can see underneath there's a small light. And then as soon as you release the red button here, release, then switch this one to on. See, you can see that it's now burning. Yeah, that's very much it. And if and then of course this one, it's in the lowest selector. Just put it in just like this one. I just put it in the middle, then should be good. But if things happen that it will happen again a couple of times, this one is turning off, doesn't go automatic light, then that's the time you have to replace the thermocouple. Okay, thank you for watching.